What we know is, Twitter has admitted that this issue started with an internal employee changing the email accounts and turning off the security features on these really high profile accounts. Now, the Twitter message said that they did so because they were socially engineered, which is a fancy security term for tricked. And generally, when you say somebody is socially engineered, what you mean is that they've been tricked into giving up their password. And that was kind of the initial read, is that somebody was tricked into giving up their password, and that meant the attackers were able to get in as an employee. Now, Joseph Cox at Vice's Motherboard, who's a very good security reporter, is reporting that the hackers are claiming that they actually paid an internal a Twitter employee to do the change for them, which highlights the problem that, honestly, this is the biggest area of risk for almost any large company is the insider threat, is the fact that to operate your business, you have to provide data and access to thousands and thousands of employees. And especially for consumer-facing businesses like a Twitter, but also e-tailers, ISP, internet providers, banks, financial services, credit card companies. You have these very large teams of customer service reps who have to have a lot of power to be able to make the customers happy. And they pose a humongous security risk. And it looks like one way or another, that is the risk that was exploited here. There is so much more damage that could have been done to Twitter and to the national economy. If you have control of the accounts of the major Fortune 500 CEOs, your ability to manipulate the market is pretty incredible. We actually saw a test run of this by Elon Musk himself, who famously was tweeting about his own stock price and was able to manipulate it very quickly. If these attackers had more money, a little more savvy about how the markets work, they probably could have made millions or tens of millions of dollars, either by depressing the entire market through some kind of move on news or depressing specific stocks.